How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have this Lexus Lx570 that is here for a full detail. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start the detail. For the wheels, I'm using Brake Art by Technician's Choice. This is actually a wheel and tire cleaner. Put it in a foam sprayer, so I wanted to check out how the product works. This product works really well, and this is a really great product to have. And if your wheels are not ceramic coated and they are just regular wheels, this product works really well. But when I have ceramic coated wheels, I definitely use P&S Brake Buster. That works really well as well. So tell you a little background about this vehicle. I actually met this customer while I was pumping gas in Sam's Club, and I just got to talking with him, and I told him I have a detailing business. He asked me a couple of questions about headlight restoration, and a couple of days later he gave me a call and he was like, hey, can I get in my SUV for a full detail? So this car was actually in for a full interior, exterior, and headlight restoration. So I just recorded the exterior wash, but the interior was done completely. I did not record it. It was very time consuming, and I had to return the car back the same day. So the headlights were restored and the interior was restored back to brand new. So if you want to check out these pictures, the before and after, they are on my Instagram. Make sure to go check them out. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Not all the details make it on the long form videos, but I do put out shorts and Instagram, so make sure to follow me there as well. To remove any bugs from the front end, I always use P&S Bug Off. I have used many other products, but this product actually stands out really well. So guys, if you want to check out some Bug Off or any other products that I'm using in this detail, all the links are in the description down below. Make sure to check them out. But whenever you use Bug Off, make sure to spray it right before you're about to foam the car, so it gives the bug off a little bit more dwell time, and it will break down all the bug guts on the front end. So as I was washing the car, I did not realize that the microphone in the camera had gone out and the charge ran out of it. So here's the time that I will explain a little bit why do I use detail brush after foaming down the vehicle. When I'm using the detail brush, it is very gentle and soft on those crevices, and especially the emblem areas. Dirt tries to creep into those areas, especially where you have the gas tank. That way, when you are cleaning, you can actually hit those areas and make sure to clean them really well, so when customer opens to pump gas, they can see like, oh, you actually cleaned them there. So detail brushes come in handy, and I make sure to use them in every detail as possible. So as I mentioned, this vehicle was in for a full detail, and my full detail packages do include wash and wax. So while I'm washing the car, that is contact wash, I make sure to use a clay mitt or a clay towel to decontaminate the paint before I apply any wax. This will remove any surface contaminants that are sticking to the clear coat. Even though you are washing it, sometimes these don't come off. So you can use a clay mitt or a clay towel to actually remove all those surface contaminants, and the paint will be as smooth as butter. So you can apply wax, and the wax actually bonds really well with clean clear coat. For protection, you can use wax or spray on sealants. Here I'm using sealant that is from CarPro. This is called the hydrofoam. You can put in a foam cannon and spray it onto the vehicle, and then you can take a microfiber mitt and you can agitate it over the paint, and it bonds really well. Second method of using this product is, again, in the foam cannon, spray it onto the vehicle, give it a few seconds, and then spray it off. You will see the hydrophobic properties immediately. That shows that the protection is on the paint. The second product that I usually use is Serum Boost by Dinowax. This product is actually really well, but you have to apply by hand, and sometimes when I have time left in the detail, I will use that product. But this detail was in a time crunch. I had to quickly get the car back to the customer, so here I use this method. So after drying the vehicle, a couple of steps remaining were to apply tire shine and clean all the glass. By the way, last tip for the detail is always use some kind of drying agent when you are drying your vehicle. Here you see me using Meguiar's Quick Wax, which actually gives a little bit more protection to the paint, and it makes the drying process really easy. So guys, just like always, thanks for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And to my all old viewers, please like and comment as well. So guys, thanks for watching again, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.